people, कैसे हैं सब लोग? So we are back on this Friday. फ्राइडे सबके बहुत फेवरेट हो चुके हैं बिकॉज हर फ्राइडे हम लोग एक एक्सपर्ट के साथ मिलते हैं और जब भी हम किसी एक्सपर्ट से मिलते हैं हमारे पास में बहुत सारी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, बहुत सारी नॉलेज होती है जो शायद हम लोग उनसे मिलकर नहीं देख पाते हैं. For obvious reasons, thanks to this pandemic, yes, we are making this happydemic, and this happydemic is going really awesome nowadays. Why? Because Friday is one day in the whole week we all wait for. Instagram live series is going fabulous just because all of you, and I'm super glad to see that whenever we are sharing the videos, whenever we are uploading on our YouTube channel, whenever we are discussing about it, you guys are making sure to giving a thumbs up and heads up, and we are really happy to know that you really want more people in Instagram live series. But like we said that we plan this Instagram live series only for 20 entrepreneurs, and this initiative is led by Mommy's World for You and Me. So every Friday when we are meeting these mompreneurs, we are making sure that you get the best thing at your place. So every Friday when we have a different mompreneur, entrepreneur with us, and when they are sharing about the amazing things they are doing in their life, this makes us feel really proud. I'm very sure the people who are following us are trying to be a part of the Instagram live series, but as if now we have opened it only for 20 entrepreneurs, and very thrilled to say that we have already met about 13, 14 or probably 15 mompreneurs, and these people are doing wonders in their business, in their life, by making this small change, by making these things happen, by making their dreams to fulfill, and they're helping a lot of people by appointing them under their venture in their brand name. So this pandemic has turned into a epidemic. Not taking much of your time now, would like to say that today we are calling Arwa Unchwaniwala. Now, who is she? She is running a venture in partnership and helping lot of people. A lot means really she has helped a lot of people for their weight loss and skincare. Now these are two things I'm very sure the community always look forward for. These two things when we running behind so many things, spending a lot of money, Arwa is making sure that you do not shed a lot of money and still get the best results. And she is getting wonderful response of feedback. I have seen personally people suggesting her name, recommending her product, and yes, so she's doing well. She is founder of Herbal Magical Products, and we'll take her live today and we'll discuss what all the struggles she had, the obstacles she actually fought, and how come she is successful in this virtual world. Because now when we want a business to succeed, we want to meet people, but still we are doing best in this pandemic. So yes, let's have Arwa, and I'll not take much of your time. Let Arwa speak about her venture, because we really want to see successful stories.
Hello, hi Shalu, how are you?
Hi Arwa, how are you?
Is it audible?
Yes, you are audible and you look beautiful. Glad
Thanks,
to have
dear.
you.
Yes,
I hope there
same
is
here,
no
yeah. I mean, it is a wonderful
problem. Is
platform
there
you
any
have introduced me to. Is it audible
Yes,
now?
I
I
have.
mean,
Yes.
yeah,
Now I can
great.
hear you.
Shalu, I'm not.
Arwa, you are doing a fabulous job, and I have the reason I said your name before you joined in, because I have actually seen the feedback. So you and your partner Rashmi are doing wonderful. The feedback, the reviews, the
Thank you.
screenshots when you post, it says a lot.
Thank you, Shalu. And you have been really helpful. I mean, you have been really given a good support and love to us by joining your community, Mommy's World. Um,
Anytime.
and it's a wonderful
Arwa,
platform.
now,
Yeah.
thanks a lot. Arwa, now without wasting our time, I'm not wasting your time, definitely. I want to know why and how this
Hmm.
startup, your friend, I guess, partner Rashmi has also joined. Hi, Rashmi. Glad to see
Yes.
you here.
Yes, she's my partner. She's my friend actually, and we started our journey back in 2012. Me,
Hmm.
and my friend Rashmi Anand Malhotra,
Hmm.
and we started with a product called 7-in-1 Magical Gel. It was this is the one which I'm talking about. This is the gel,
Hmm.
and this was a booming product of mine. And
Okay.
basically, we are actually wholesalers. And in 2016, yes, we had an idea of promoting this on a bigger platform. Of course, it's a social media,
Hmm.
and we joined your community as well, and we got a very good response. And that is how we started with other different products of for skin. And 7-in-1 Magical Gel and my polisher became the booming product. And still, of course, it is one of the good products for skin as well. It's for anti-aging, and
Hmm.
it lightens your pigmentation scars. It's a moisturizer. I mean, after applying this, you don't need any moisturizer, even a sunscreen lotion.
Acha.
And yeah, because we do have SPF 15 in it.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And many dermatologists also, I mean, they have recommended, we do give it in clinics as well.
Wonderful.
The gel which I'm talking about, this one. And this
Hmm.
is a 50 ml bottle. We do have a, it depends on the quantity what clients want. I mean, we do have 150 ml, 600
Okay.
ml.
But
And this
then
is the
shelf
polisher which I'm
life,
talking
shelf
about.
life
This
is
is the
good.
one. Sorry?
Shelf life is
Uh,
good if somebody is taking a good quantity.
Yes, it's more than 18 months. These are all mild and herbal products. There are no side effects. Even a 2-year-old can use this gel.
Acha.
Sha- Yes, yes. So that is
Yeah, that.
how, I mean, yeah, thank you.
But
And
अरवा, कैसे आपने स्टार्ट
mhm,
किया? आप
mhm.
आई इनफैक्ट मुझे मालूम नहीं था आप होलसेलर्स हो, which is very good thing. Congratulations for you know
Yes.
achieving this milestone. बट ये कैसे स्टार्ट कैसे हुआ? हाउ डिड यू
Uh,
थॉट कि तो ये करना है? क्योंकि आपकी स्किन तो बहुत ग्लोइंग दिख रही है मुझे. ऑफ कोर्स ये पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस तो
thank
नहीं समझ मुझे स्किन पे कुछ करना है.
Of course, I'll send across the gel to you. I mean, you will love it, I'm sure.
नो नो, आई वांट टू नो हाउ यू स्टार्टेड दिस. क्यों आपको लगा कि
How I
मुझे ये
started.
जेल का स्टार्ट करना है?
See, I mean, we wanted to start some business, of course, and
हम्म.
since I'm basically from Chennai, I mean, I got married. Got married here in Mumbai, and
ओके.
we wanted to. This is how I met my friend here in Bombay, and we came up with an idea that we want to start something. So we felt that skin is a better option to start with, and
राइट.
I'm not a manufacturer. I'm a wholesaler basically.
ओके.
And
ओके.
we came across this. We started using on us, of course. We started, all my products are self tested. So
ओके.
whatever product we get into, we give it to our family, our friends. We, in fact, our team. Obviously, when we started, we did not have a much big team or something. But now, touchwood, yes, we have gone to a level where we have a team, and all our products are being self tested, and only then we, introduce into the market.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Arwa, what are all the products for skin you are using? What do you offer
Uh,
to your customers?
See, we also have under eye cream. We have something called this is a pimple gel, and for really those stubborn acne and stubborn pimples. But if it is a very the normal pimples what we get during the periods and everything, the gel will help us. It's not really required the pimple gel. This pimple gel is only for people who because very the pussy pimples what we get.
Okay.
And we have polisher, silver and
Hmm.
gold polisher that removes stands, and it gives an instant glow. Works really wonders.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so Arwa, you are delivering it
And
everywhere across India or out of
Shalom,
India as well?
sorry,
There's a network issue from your end.
network
I'm
issue.
saying,
Yes, there is a network issue. Yeah.
I'm asking, do you deliver across India or out of India as well?
No, we do have clients out of India as well. We do courier it as well. Yeah.
Okay.
So, it goes in basically in many. I have clients in Dubai. I have clients in US as well. So many of them are using my products. Even my team.
Yes, so we are coming
Shalom, I
back to
think
your.
there is some network issue.
I know I can see there is a network issue from your end. I can hear you. Can you hear me?
I can't. Uh, yes, I am able to hear you, but it's little fluctuating.
See,
Can
visibility जाने दो Arwa, visibility जाने दो. We
mhm.
can hear each other, so I guess we can take few queries as well.
Okay? Can I just shift or something where we can get something?
आप देखो आपका नेटवर्क कहाँ आपको इजी हो रहा है. I'm okay. I'm waiting here for you.
One. Yeah. Yes.
This is every Friday's problem.
Shalom, is this well now? Is this well? I mean,
Yes,
I can hear you now.
it's
Yes, I can hear you.
yes, fine. It's fine, Arwa.
Mm.
It's okay, no problem. So, Arwa, there are few queries. हम लोग वो ले लें. अगर स्किन केयर की बात कर रहे हैं तो
Um, Shalom, unable
can
to
we
hear
take few?
you. I'm so
अभी आवाज
sorry,
आ रही है.
but
You want to go and join back again? You want to log out and join again?
we'll do that. Yeah, we'll do that. Yes.
Okay, no problem. आप वापस आ जाओ. I'll take you
Mm.
in just a minute again.
Sure.
Guys, keep sending your queries because she has gone for a while and she'll be joining us back again. And like every Friday, I say that network issue is something we really cannot solve it out because there are states or there are cities who still do not have proper connection. But yes, Arva is from Mumbai, but the areas and the the broadband connections or Wi-Fi sometimes fail. That's pretty okay because हम लोग यहाँ पर ही हैं. आपकी क्वेरीज भी हैं. जस्ट इन केस कि हमारी क्वेरीज यहाँ पर सॉल्व नहीं भी हो पाती हैं तो हम उन्हें हमारी फेसबुक कम्युनिटी में ले लेंगे और हम लोग ये कोशिश करेंगे कि आपका कुछ भी क्वेश्चन रह ना जाए. आई होप आई एम ऑडिबल एंड विजिबल विदाउट एनी प्रॉब्लम to each one of you, to all my viewers. And I really feel that yes, somebody saying it's everywhere, not just Mumbai. Yes, I said the same thing. There are few cities who are actually fighting with the connection problems. In fact, not only the internet connection, there are problems in our. Thank you, Rashmi, for the confirmation. Yes, so there are problems nowadays. Our calls are dropping. There is network issues. So yes, वो प्रॉब्लम्स चलती रहेंगी. हम लोग वेट कर रहे हैं कि अरबा हमारे पास आ जाए क्योंकि अरबा के जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनसे रिलेटेड आपके पास क्वेरीज बहुत निकलेंगी. अरबा को जो एक बूमिंग प्रोडक्ट है उसकी मैं आपसे बात करती हूँ. रश्मि और अरबा जो रन करते हैं अपना बिजनेस उसमें इनका एक जो बहुत अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है वो इनका स्लिमिंग टी है which I have of course not used because I've never asked for it, but I have seen the reviews. जो रिस्पॉन्स उन्हें मिलता है एमडब्ल्यू कम्युनिटी से भी और उसके अलावा बाकी जो कम्युनिटीज है जहां भी वो लोग अपना बिजनेस करते हैं. So yes, so that is one product she really feels super proud of. So as if now she was talking about the skincare thing, but then she will be talking about her slimming tea as well. So I'm just waiting for her to join in, and let's see if she's here. She's yet not here. Rashmi, if you want to join in till the time Arva joins, we are okay with that because you both are the partners and either of you can join in and talk about your products so that members don't wait for long. I'm sure you guys have been sweethearts and you wait every Friday whenever there is a network issue. Thanks for bearing with us. But yes, we can't really help it. we have to wait for our guest to join in, and I really hope कि इनकी ये प्रॉब्लम जल्दी सॉर्ट आउट हो जाए, बिकॉज नेटवर्क इश्यूज हम लोग नहीं हैंडल कर सकते हैं, राइट. आई एम वेटिंग फॉर अरबा टू जॉइन इन. रश्मि से मुझे अभी हेड्स अप नहीं मिला है, अदरवाइज Rashmi can join in as well because Rashmi is a partner with Arba. And thanks for waiting. Thanks for waiting, guys. Thanks for waiting. She's coming back. She just logged out and she said she'll be coming back. I can see her. Let me try. Yes. So let us have it. Uh-oh. Sorry, Gauri. I've sent a request to wrong person. Very sorry. Yes, so I can see that Arba is joining back. And here she is.
Hello, Shalu.
Hi, Arba. Welcome back. People are
Yeah,
waiting for
I
you.
am so sorry about the inconvenience because there were certain network issues here. So
No
I think,
problem. So the benefit, Arba, I know your product. So when you were not here, I was talking about your slimming tea.
but Shalu, for all the
आपका नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम मुझे लगता है आता ही रहेगा. हम लोग क्वेरीज लेते हैं जैसे भी आपको सुनाई आता है. अरबा,
yeah,
एक बात
yeah.
बताइए, आपके प्रोडक्ट्स में कुछ ऐसा है कि एक मॉम ने पूछा है, उनका नेक
Mhm.
ना काफी ब्लैक हो गया है. So do you have something to remove that darkness?
We have yes, it's the that is called pigmentation. So she can use a gel. She has to use a gel every twice or thrice a day, like morning,
Okay.
afternoon, and night, like overnight. It will help. I'm not saying that it will work magically in a month or so because pigmentation is really hard. I mean, very hard. I mean, it does not go in a month or so. But yes, it does
Right.
lighten. It does. So she
Okay.
can try the gel. Yes.
Okay. And somebody was asking one more question. I'll just take it, then we'll talk about your slimming tea.
Sure.
In fact, I offered Rashmi also to join in.
Hmm.
Okay, so for
Yeah.
kids aged 5 years, knee with black part, can it be removed by these gel? knee का जो black part होता है बच्चों का,
They can use they can use a polisher for that. Polisher will remove it faster.
अच्छा.
Yes, because it
Okay.
removes the tan, and those tan are just because then the kid starts crawling and all that, and the way they play in the playground. Obviously, this will go with the polisher.
So somebody is asking what to use for pimple. You have just joined Rupa, and Arba has already answered that she has product for your pimple as well.
Yeah, it's a pimple gel. It's a pimple kit basically. That kit contains a cleanser and a gel. So just wash your face and then apply the gel. That's it, and just apply it overnight, and you will
Okay.
start seeing the results.
Okay, so do you also have something else also in skincare, or should we move to your slimming tea?
I mean, skincare, yes, we do have other products. There's something called Oat Pack that's for, I mean, tightening your skin. But basically, yeah, I mean, and we do also have hair oil, which is a ISO certified oil. And if this is for, again, for hair growth. It helps in dandruff, clearing the
अच्छा.
dandruff as well. We
Okay.
have shampoo for dandruff. Even the results of shampoo is good. And we also into joint paint oils, where for arthritis. So there are several
Arba,
other products. Yeah,
you have a good pitara with you, and I always thought that you have only this
the
slimming tea.
slimming tea. Slimming tea, of course, is I would say it is like the need of the hour. Because of that, and yeah, slimming tea is again one of the booming product of mine, and it is again 100% herbal product, no steroids. It's clinically tested, and yeah, touch wood. I mean, even doctors and nutritionists are trying my slimming tea. They do promote as
I
well.
have seen the reviews, so I'm very sure कि आपके पास उसकी एडवांस बुकिंग चलती होगी. So
Yes, we are highly booked.
आप
And in
बताओ
this
उसकी
particular,
स्लिमिंग टी के बारे में बात करते हैं. बताओ अब क्या क्या चीज है स्लिमिंग टी,
see,
कैसे काम करती है, क्या है?
See, now we have come up with two kind of teas. Like, see, this is the tea what I'm talking about. I mean, these are the teas. These are the herbs basically, which
Okay.
helps in melting your fats. And these are herbs made of like triphala, chirata, chamomile, and
Hmm.
larch flower. I mean, there are several other herbs which are processed, and it helps in melting your fats. Like it's up to 7 kgs a person can reduce. When I say 7 kgs, I do not really say that everybody can do so, because of course it depends on each metabolism too.
Yes. Yes.
And yeah, people are seeing results. I'm in this more, as I said, we started with slimming tea in the mid 2016.
Okay.
And touch wood, I mean, I'm having more than 30K clients who have been using these teas.
More than
And
30K.
yes, yes.
Arwa, that's a very good number. Congratulations for achieving this. This is
Thanks,
very
thanks,
good.
thanks.
And so somebody's asking, does it have any side effects of it since I feed my kid?
No, it's 100%. Sorry, what did you say for the lactating moms?
Yes, 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 for the lactating moms.
No, no, no. This tea is not for the lactating moms. Why? Because these are the herbs, okay? The herbs might be little heaty. So we do not
Uh,
recommend for lactating moms. Otherwise,
Okay.
even people, I mean, there are ladies who, they are trying to conceive. So,
Ah.
and they're unable to because of the weight. So they
Hmm.
can use this tea. Yes, they have to stop 1 month prior before continuing,
Okay.
I mean, before they plan.
Okay.
But yeah.
And somebody's asking, I'm a thyroid patient. Can I have this thyroid?
Definitely, I have clients. Yes, yes, thyroid, hypothyroid, PCOD. I have clients who have been consuming the tea, and they have seen
Hmm.
good results.
Okay.
And I would not really say, like, when I say people do shoot up to 7 to 9 kgs in a month,
Hmm.
but it is
Hmm.
not everybody can do the same. I hope people can understand this. And of course, we need to consume a good home food. Just
Hmm.
avoid basics, that is maida, sweets, junks, and oily food. That's it. Just
ये
avoid
चीजों
basics
ने
and
बंद
consume.
करनी होगी. ये चीजें
Sorry,
बंद करनी होंगी. ये चीजें
not
बंद करनी
really,
होंगी.
not really stop it, but avoid having it. And you can have you can consume your normal home food. No need to stop on your, no need to cut down on carbs or very strict diet. Nothing like that. Just a
अच्छा.
normal home food you consume and have the tea. That's it.
So अरवा, अभी किसी ने पूछा है कि टमी एरिया पे ही ज्यादा फैट है, तो क्या उन्हें
Mm-hmm.
ये लेना चाहिए? ये लेना चाहिए?
Yes. It helps in reducing the belly fats, and inch loss is also seen. It works overall.
अच्छा. Okay.
Mm.
Somebody is asking, इनका प्रॉब्लम कुछ ज्यादा है. She is saying that किडनी स्टोन का हिस्ट्री रहा है इनका, एंड हाइपोथायरॉयडिज्म रहा है, तो क्या ये ले सकती हैं?
Yes, they can. As I said, the tea is 100% safe. There are no steroids, no
हम्म.
chemicals added. They are just herbs, which helps in melting
हाँ.
your fats. So they can, even the history with the stone, with the kidney
हम्म.
stone. Yes, you can, no problem.
एंड कितना बार लेना है वो भी पूछ रहे हैं, कितनी बार दिन में?
Yeah, you need to consume this tea twice a day. That is after your lunch, after half an hour, and after dinner again after half an hour. And
ओके.
and we have come up with something new as well, because most of the clients are working clients. So this tea is supposed to be boiled, but
अच्छा.
and so there were certain inconvenience caused because of this as well. So we came up
हम्म.
something with a new idea called dip teas as well. So they just have
अच्छा.
to take it along and dip and consume the tea. Just put in the piping hot water
ओके, नो
and
नीड
put
टू
the
बॉयल.
bag, and no need to boil, yeah. But we have two
अच्छा.
kinds of teas. People who are happy with boiling and consuming, and people
हम्म.
who wants the tea bags like that.
ओके.
Hmm.
ओके, सो अरवा, क्वेश्चंस तो आते ही जा रहे हैं. अस्थमा पेशेंट्स ले सकते हैं क्या? जिनको गॉल ब्लैडर का प्रॉब्लम है और हाई कोलेस्ट्रॉल है, वो ले सकते हैं क्या?
Asthma, yes. High cholesterol. See, people with BP and these issues they are taking. But with the high cholesterol, I have not really come across. They
ओके.
can consult their doctor as well. I can give them the ingredients, and they can
हम्म.
consult the doctor. If they are okay with it, then fine. They can.
Too many moms are writing, I need this, badly need this. So definitely you are getting queries after this. Guys, we are going to share Arba's Instagram handle and the personal number so that you can
Mm.
directly order. You can always get in touch with me. I have her number saved because she is one of the active members while posting her slimming tea, and she always get response on this.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yes. और भाई
Okay.
एक बात बताओ, आप ये जो स्लिमिंग बता रहे हो टी आपकी, इसके साथ में डू
Uh-huh.
यू सजेस्ट एनी वॉक एक्सरसाइजेज और सम सॉर्ट ऑफ समथिंग?
Uh, as I said, not really exercise is required. Yes, if they have time, they can walk. But normally nowadays people go for these teas just because they do not get time for all these things. You know, we don't get time for workouts, we don't get time for exercise. That is the reason I make sure that, you know, they need to consume.
आपका इंटरनेट वापस गया? हाँ, अब आप सुनाइए, क्या बता रहे थे आप?
Hello.
हाँ, अरबा, आई कैन हियर यू, बताओ.
Okay.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah. I'm so sorry. So, as I said, yes, they can consume. I mean, just have to consume a good home food and consume the tea. Yeah.
अरबा, इसका शेल्फ लाइफ कितना है, और या कोई पर्टिकुलर पीरियड इतने टाइम में खत्म हो जाना चाहिए?
Shalu, there is again some issue. Can we please just one moment? Let me just check what is it. One moment.
Yes. You don't leave.
I am
don't
so
log out.
sorry.
You don't log
I
out.
can't hear you. I'm unable to hear you. One moment.
Yeah. Happens, guys. Happens. No problem. Audible? Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
आप मुझे शुरू से सुनाई दे रहे हो. आप मुझे
I
सिर्फ
was
तारीफ
not
की
able
तो
to hear
बताओ.
you. Sorry.
अच्छा,
Yeah.
मुझे अरबा, ये मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ कि इसका शेल्फ लाइफ क्या है आपकी टी का?
18 months. 18 months.
अच्छा, इसका 18 मंथ है.
Hmm.
और इसकी क्या कितनी आपको लगता है कभी किसी को कुछ साइड इफेक्ट्स हुए हैं अरबा? कभी कोई कंप्लेंट आई हो, कभी कुछ तकलीफ आई हो?
Complaints in sense, see, I will tell you then that 95% results are seen. Okay. Yes, there are 5% people where because of very stubborn fats or very low metabolism, it's little difficult for them to reduce. Otherwise, there are no complaints as such. The tea we have, as I said, the normal regular tea, people get motions because it's melting their body fats. This is how the body fats get melted. So that is the reason we came up with one more tea, the dip one, where people, they don't get much motions, yes, but results are again good. So this is how, but this is not a side effect. This is, sorry?
Because these are office going people.
Yes,
So
yes.
they
And
need
these, again, this motion are not the side effect because we need to understand that we are consuming something. So the only way to remove the
Yes.
fat is through the motions. And and it's pretty good. I mean, the results are good. There are no such side effects. And
Do you have any pack with you? आपके पास है टी का कुछ दिखाने के लिए पैकेट आपका हाई स्लिमिंग का?
this is the one which I'm talking about is the one which you see in these are the dip teas.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah. So this is the dip tea, and in this pack you get 30 sachets. This is the 15 days pack. Normally, I suggest my clients to go for 1 month because in 15 days you hardly see results. Okay.
Right.
Of course, if you have metabolism is good, yeah, you can shoot up to 3 kgs also in 15 days. And this is the one which I'm talking about. See, can you see the herbs in this? Yeah,
Yes.
these are the herbs. This is the regular tea where most of the client consumes, and they're really happy with this as well. And they're getting good results. So,
all right. So, अरबा, कितना दिन में आप डिलीवरी देते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट्स का, पूछा जा रहा है यहाँ पे?
dear, because of the normal now, because of the pandemic issues, it takes time little even for the couriers. At least the people, the client has to book at least 10 days prior, 1 week to 10 days prior, because we are highly booked as well. And the daily basis, the delivery goes, the COD and the couriers all over India. So it takes at least 1 week, I would say, for you to receive it.
Okay. Yeah. And also again, it depends city-wise where they do not have this containment zone.
Yes, all that again matters because there are certain, most of the clients are based, army based as well. I mean, there's those cant areas there it
Hmm.
takes little, it takes time, like 1 week to 10 days it takes.
Okay. Okay, so somebody is asking, Arwa, ki herbs are generally hot in the nature, so won't it cause acidity?
This particular tea, the one with the dip ones, no, you don't find acidity in that. Yes, that in other tea you may, but I have
Okay.
not come across much complaints as such.
Okay, about acidity issues. You have
No,
not
no,
heard about.
not really. Yes, one or two I may say, but not really.
Yeah,
You
so
need to
exceptions
consume
are
this in
there
a good
because
amount of
some
water.
people. Yeah.
Sorry.
No, exceptions are there. I'm saying, like, of course, it may not suit everybody. That's what.
But I would say people, that is a very minor ratio, I would say. When we
Right.
see majority, there are no such side effects that I would 100% say no side effects at all.
Arwa, one important question is here. Somebody is asking if we are using tea, we reduce,
Uh,
but once stop, won't we get our fat back?
okay, yeah, that's actually a one good one. I mean, there are no steroids in this tea. Normally, what
Okay.
happens in these slimming products, they add steroids. So we tend to lose faster. And then the
Hmm.
moment we stop, we bounce back. Okay.
Right.
So in this particular thing, there are no such issues. I mean, there are no steroids. Once you're stopping it, you're not going to bounce back. But yes,
That's
maintain your food. Maintain your food. I mean, avoid eating, as I just mentioned, junks, oily food,
hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
sweets. I'm not saying stop it, but maintain it
Ah,
once you stop the tea.
right,
Yeah.
right, right. I guess diet plays an important role, like we
Yes. It
always say.
definitely does. It does.
It has
Yes.
to be moderation. ऐसा नहीं कि अरवा का टी भी ले लिया और गुलाब जामुन भी 4-5 खा लिए, so वो काम नहीं होगा.
No,
That will
that
not work.
yes, true. No, if your metabolism, and there are people and they come up saying that, I hardly did any dieting, but still I'm reducing. Just is because the metabolism is good. But I
And
always instruct my clients, please maintain your diet and have your tea.
I
There's
have
nothing which is,
read I have read this review what you're talking about. I have read it many times where people
yeah.
have given you this thing कि नहीं हमने ज्यादा भी कुछ नहीं किया है और हमारा reduce भी बहुत अच्छा हो गया है. And that's
Yes.
an definitely. So Arwa, is there anything else you want to add to our today's session so that we can suggest to moms? कोई आपकी टिप्स या ट्रिक्स या सजेशंस हैं उनकी फैट लूज के लिए उन्हें ये एक बार ट्राई करना चाहिए, दे शुड गेट इन टच विद यू, कैसे?
Definitely, they should give a try. They will not regret. And I would say that, yes. And yes, and of course, do consume a good home food, avoid basics. And I'm here always to, whenever my clients are really happy because I'm reachable very, it is not where, once they receive it, they can
Yes, yes.
anytime message me, call me, WhatsApp me, anything. I mean, I'm here to guide them how to go about it.
Hmm.
And yeah, they can try, I
That's
would
one
say.
thing should be there for all the entrepreneurs. We call it after sales service. So yes,
Uh-huh.
अगर आप उनके साथ अच्छे से जुड़े हो, which is a plus point for you. और
Yes.
स्किन केयर की आप एक बार मुझे वापस से बताओगे आपके पास क्या क्या अवेलेबल है? पिगमेंटेशन का है, पिंपल्स का है, एंड
Pigmentation, yes, we have for pigmentation, we have 7-in-1 magical gel. If you're really looking for, I mean, 7-in-1 magical gel works as a glow gel as well. It actually regenerates your skin. It gives a natural glow to your skin.
ओके.
And for tanning, we have silver and gold polisher. And if you're really looking for some tightening of skin or something, we have certain products called Oat Pack. There are some other packs as well. And for hair, we have hair fall oil. I mean, oil which works for hair fall. It controls your hair fall. It gives a good growth and it prevents graying. And for dandruff, we have shampoos. And yeah, and we do have something called a. Sorry.
I'm very happy to see that while you are saying all this, Rashmi keeps on updating about the product she's writing. Rashmi, so good to see this. And this is an actual partnership that she has joined the live with you. She is constant
Yeah.
writing. कि अरबा कुछ भूल जाएंगी तो मैं लिख देती हूँ. She's writing all the products. That's very nice to see, Rashmi.
Thank you. Yeah, we have. I mean, it wouldn't have been possible alone. I mean, yes, always any venture we need some support. Me and Rashmi has really worked hard to see where we are today. And touch wood, really, God has been really very good to us. And of course, the products are good. That is the reason this again helping us.
Right.
So yeah.
So wonderful to
Yes,
know about product Arwa, and I really congratulate you and Rashmi for achieving this milestone, coming so far, and getting this
thank you.
recognition that people now know you with your name and know where they should get product. Slimming tea means Arwa, so that's one thing I know. And
Thank you,
I
dear.
really wish the best to both of you. And your
Thank
Instagram
you.
handle is? What's the Instagram handle?
Herbal Magical Slimming Tea.
Okay, ठीक है. So what we'll do is, while posting in the community and on our YouTube channels, we'll make sure that we'll post your handles, both your
Yeah,
names,
sure.
we'll tag you, and yeah, आपके contact numbers मैं community को खुद से दे दूँगी.
Sure. Thank you so much, Shalu. And this was a lovely platform where we could, share our products and share our journey with you. And you are I would say you're just a sweetheart. I mean, you have been really good to me. Thank you so
Thank,
much.
thank you. My pleasure. It was good to have you and Rashmi as well. Take
Thank you.
care and stay blessed. Keep rise and shine. And I'll see you once again soon.
Yeah, yeah.
Take care.
Thank you, dear. Yeah, yeah. You too, you too. Thank you.
So, guys, this is something we really appreciate when mompreneurs are doing the best. Arwa और रश्मि के numbers हमारे पास नीचे comment section में आ रहे हैं, which actually I would avoid Rashmi, that please do not write numbers on a public platform. I will myself pass on your numbers, your Instagram handles, and more power and more shine in your life. I really hope. Festival season is approaching, and we are doing lot many things in the community. During this Instagram live series, I was constant being questioned from the moms कि Instagram live series के साथ हमें और क्या क्या मिल रहा है. So yes, as you all know, every year we bring Diwali online exhibition. The registration has already started, so you can join in and you can get the fabulous products by these mompreneurs in the discounted offers. And yes, it's super cool to see each and every one doing so well in your life. So yes, we'll keep coming on every Friday with new mompreneurs, the entrepreneurs, and we really hope that you get your queries solved through this session. I'll see you once again next Friday. Till then, take care, stay blessed. Love you all. Happy parenting. Happy weekend. Bye bye.